ari mucemanio-ini na arugamiriri a Irabu mwena wa kaunti ya Kiambu. Kimani wa Matangi ni atariria ati kaunti ino iri muhari-ini wa mbere wa kaunti iria ciugumirwo ni unyui wa njohi, akiongerera ati maitho ma President William Ruto ni mamumurikite makiria na koguo ruthanju nowe ruguagira.
The center of focus ourselves even to our national leadership. Yale mambo mumesikia, hauwezi kuhesabu mara ngapi umesikia naibu wa rais akiongea mahali akitaja kaunti zote, hii kaunti iko hivi na hivi, hawezi kosa kutaja Kiambu. So wakati nyinyi mnasikia joto huku chini, mimi naisikianga huko juu.
Niguo kuhurana na mororo ma njohi mwena ucio, no mwaka kamiti iyo yuke na mubango wa uria njohi ciriendagio citekurehe mathina kuri ciana nini na gutigirira ciana citakinyitie miaka 18 citinenderio.
And also the cause and effect ya watoto wetu kulewa, we need to have that conversation. Muulizane when you are licensing kwa hii katauni yetu hapa hii Kiambu, kienda hapo Githongori, Dumberi, in this kataun of Dumberi, how many bars should you have in that particular place? I think that's a conversation that you need to have.
Cienderio cia njohi 860 ni ciatunyukithirio wiathi wa kwendia njohi, na hari icio ciothe wa Matangi ugite cienderio 54 na ucio ciaheirwo license ya kwendia mwena ucio, no indi ciothe iria itigarite citai license ni 600.
In the report that 860 were denied at first level, tumeambiwa there were 221 appeals, 54 were allowed back. So you still have a healthy number of about, out of the 6,000, you just knock off probably about 600 that were still licensed.
Ota uria wa Matangi aratariria, hindi iria license yaga kuhitukio, kamiti ni yagirirwo kunyitanira na kwaraniria niguo kugia na wiguano na kweheria ngui.
Ningependa tusikilizane jameni, when you have sat as a committee and a license has been denied, there has to be a conversation between the committee and the appeals team.
Gathabari ga kuruta wira wa kirabu gatikoragwo kari kahuthu. Ota uria wa Matangi aratariria akiuga ati ni hakoretwo he arito kurumirira andu aria mataina license cia kuhingura irabu, kuona matiarungirwo mari anini wendi-ini uyu, kuona muti uhandagwo uri munini.
Lakini natambua hii kazi sio kazi rahisi. Kazi yetu ingekuwa rahisi, sasa imekuwa ngumu kwa vile unajaribu kurekebisha mti ulioenda kombo kitambo na sasa mti umekomaa.
Akihinga ndumiriri yake ni oritie maafitha a borithi kunyitanira nao niguo guteithiriria kuhurana na wendia wa njohi mugaru na watho.
Police to our DCCs, that as the unit, nyinyi ndio sasa mko na force ya law ya kutusaidia.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.